Hi, this year Durga Puja is coming. It's just knocking the door and I am pretty excited. But there is a small glitch. Because of coronavirus and this pandemic, we all need to apply hand sanitizer to our hands and of course wear mask. So we have a pandal in our neighborhood. So how about building a small friendly robot which can dispense sanitizer? So what it will do is that when you come near it, it will lower its hand, and if you place your hand underneath the robot's hand, it will give sanitizer. But it should be very friendly, and so let's build one. So once again, very excited for this Durga Puja and hope you all have a happy Durga Puja. Thank you. Welcome to Science in a Cup. We will start by building the frame, and after building the frame, we'll actually draw the Buddha. So idea of this being that when the person will come in front of the Buddha statue, it will lower its hand, and if the person places the hand beneath the hand of the Buddha, it will dispense the sanitizer. Now we need to make the hand move, hence we are using geared motor. Geared motor because it is the cheapest of all the motors that is available. Here we are using a scale because T-shaped structure is more mechanically strong. The scale is attached to a wheel and the wheel will move, and hence the hand will come down and will go up. Problem with using the wheel and the scale was that the weight distribution is uneven. Hence the gear motor, that 30 rpm gear motor that we are using, couldn't handle the weight and it is falling. So what we will do is that we'll evenly distribute the weight. So here you can see I have extended the hand with a scale and added a weight iron at the end of the scale. This is a 6-volt DC pump which we will be using. This pump pumps the water from the reservoir, which is a moisturizer bottle, through this pipe. You can get this pipe at the aquarium store or hardware store. The problem with this design, just using a pump and a pipe, is that when the pump will switch off, the water level will come down. So to prevent the backflow of water, we need a one-way valve. Sprayer bottle consists of a pump made up of piston with a spring that is encased with a chamber with a ball. So when the sprayer is pressed, the ball of the one-way valve blocks the pipe to prevent the backflow of liquid. Hence, liquid comes out from the nozzle. Only when the sprayer is released, the liquid flows into the chamber of the pump from the bottle. Hence, you can see the working of a sprayer bottle. So we are using this sprayer bottle one-way valve in our project. So this is the ultrasonic sensor SR04, and this is the Arduino Uno. So right now we are going to see the graph, and I do need it for distance measurement. So tools, now I'll go to serial plotter and hope. So I'm just holding the ultrasonic sensor, and if you can see, the graph actually increases linearly. This is the circuit diagram of Arduino Uno with ultrasonic sensor. One problem with ultrasonic sensor is that it works perfectly when there is a flat surface in front of it. But when there is fabric, clothes or any surface that absorbs sound, it starts working gibberish. So it gives bad results when fabric is in front of it, hence it cannot measure the distance accurately. So normally a person will wear clothes, and hence the ultrasonic sensor will not work according to its full potential. So to cover the ultrasonic sensor's fault, we are using infrared sensor. Infrared sensor consists of an infrared LED and an infrared receiver. Infrared LED emits infrared radiation which bounces back from the surface, and infrared sensor counts the amount of radiation it received. So if the person is in front of the sensor, more amount of infrared radiation will be detected. One way to solve the shortcomings of infrared sensor is using PIR sensor. PIR sensor stands for Pyroelectric Infrared Sensor. It can detect living beings. Another sensor which we are using is light dependent resistance. Tells the microcontroller the hand is in front of the nozzle, and hence the microcontroller pumps the sanitizer out of the nozzle. So once more, ultrasonic sensor, sensor number 1, for calculating how much distance the human is. This is infrared sensor, again for calculating the distance of human. If there is no human, the robot will not get activated. This is LDR light sensor. So when I will put hand beneath this hand at a certain distance, then it will activate the pump to give sanitizer. But if it sees that human is there but he doesn't put the hand underneath, so no sanitizer will be dispensed. So this is one way of saving sanitizer. So this is another sensor. This is the same as this. This is the back side of that IR sensor, and this is LDR sensor for hand position, seeing where is the hand, for hand position sensor. So this is the motor, and this is the circuit box. So this is a pump, and that is about everything. This is the circuit diagram with L293D motor driver. This is the circuit diagram with all the sensors attached to it, and these are the codes which you can copy and build your own robot or animatron, whatever you say. So a person comes near to it, places the hand, so a person comes near to this, and you can see it. I just keep hand at the place. So I'll just take a closer look to this. So let me show you. So once a person goes near to it, the lights are on, and now what happens if someone doesn't place its hand under the hand of the Buddha? It just doesn't dispense the sanitizer. So once more. So if the hand is not placed, then sanitizer will not be dispensed. It will just return back. Once more. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Actually, this type of videos takes a lot of effort. So it would be very great if you can subscribe and if you can share with your friends. See, Buddha will bless you. Really, Buddha will bless you. So please share and subscribe. That's it for now.